Selecting a trustworthy Forex broker is essential for successful trading in Sierra Leone. A reliable broker can give access to the market, secure investments, offer resources or tools, and provide competitive conditions. On the other hand, scam brokers cause financial losses, slow trade execution, and limited customer service. Hence, Sierra Leone traders must research and pick a dependable broker. This article will cover how you research and pick a dependable Forex broker in Sierra Leone. Best Forex brokers in Sierra Leone list. There are many Forex brokers available in Sierra Leone, but the best Forex brokers in this list are FP Markets, FX Pro, IC Markets, FBS Markets, XM, Black Bull Markets, HF Markets, AXI, Oanda, and Pepperstone. These all are basically the best Forex brokers in Sierra Leone, and for more information about the brokers you can visit topfxbrokersreview.com. Also, you can open an account with this best Forex broker by using the link in the description below. Maximizing your chances of success in the Forex market requires you to locate the best Forex broker in Sierra Leone that you can trust. Make sure they have the latest market data and analysis tools, as well as a wide array of trading options and products, allowing you to make well-informed trades. This will help you achieve your financial objectives. This means that you can make informed trades, which will increase your chances of achieving your financial goals. Additionally, a good Forex broker will offer a high level of customer service and support, which can be essential to your success as a trader. They will also have a robust security system in place to protect your investments. Furthermore, a good Forex broker will provide you with a user-friendly trading platform that will allow you to navigate the market with ease. Trading in the Forex market is a highly competitive activity, and partnering with the top Forex brokers that accept clients from Sierra Leone can be the key to winning or losing. The Forex market in Sierra Leone has enormous potential for investors, but finding a dependable broker is crucial for success. A broker acts as a mediator between you and the currency market, and a bad broker can lead to financial losses. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of researching and picking a dependable Forex broker in Sierra Leone. So here are the steps. Step 1. Research Forex brokerage firms in Sierra Leone. Step 2. Find a regulated Forex brokers in Sierra Leone. Step 3. Read reviews and testimonials. Step 4. Evaluate fees and services. Step 5. Check the trading platforms. Step 6. Pick a broker. So, these steps will definitely give you an idea to choose the best Forex broker in Sierra Leone. Also, try your own research method too. This will help you to find the perfect broker according to your needs and begin Forex trading in Sierra Leone. After extensive research, we have found 2 brokers that are providing top-notch service in Sierra Leone. However, we have provided a Forex brokers list in Sierra Leone containing the top 10 brokers. These brokers are also as good as our picks, FP Markets and FX Pro. FP Market stands out as an exceptional Sierra Leone broker due to its diverse selection of trading instruments which include Forex, CFDs, and commodities. Through the diversification of a trader's portfolio, this selection of instruments provides the opportunity for traders to capitalize on different market conditions. Additionally, FP Markets has user-friendly trading platforms such as MetaTrader 4 and 5 that provides traders with the tools they need to analyze the market and make informed trades. The broker also offers excellent customer support and multiple channels of communication. In conclusion, finding a dependable Forex broker in Sierra Leone is crucial for success in the currency market. By researching brokerage firms, checking for regulatory compliance, reading reviews and testimonials, evaluating fees and services, the type of trading platform, customer support, and security, you can make an informed decision and select a trustworthy broker. Remember, due diligence is key in selecting a broker and making sure that your investments are safe. So these all are basically the best Forex brokers in Sierra Leone, and for more information about the brokers you can visit topfxbrokersreview.com. Also, you can open an account with this best Forex broker by using the link in the description below.